Hello, and welcome to Step 2 of the ERP Evaluation Kit brought to you by Stoneridge Software. My name is Scott Frappier, and today what I wanted to do was talk to you a little bit about Step 2, which is determining requirements and estimating costs for your ERP implementation. When you actually go through an ERP evaluation process, generally it's starting from something that we call a pain point within the business. Focusing on pain points within the organization is the natural first step in your evaluation process. Understanding what those are and understanding how they map into the business process is critical as part of your evaluation process. Now, the mapping of these business processes is also important, meaning when you bring a vendor in, such as Stoneridge Software, you do not want to just show your pain points, you want the whole business process to be conveyed as part of that evaluation. It's a very critical component that's generally overlooked, but as part of your evaluation process, make sure that you're taking this into account so that communication occurs back to the vendor for what those requirements are within your organization. Another important aspect of this step is the communication path that you have. As Stoneridge Software, I've seen the best customers and prospects with their ERP implementations be the ones that leverage us as a trusted advisor, meaning they're not holding things close to their vest, they're actually being fully candid about what they need to tackle as part of their business initiative or even as part of their future as well. All of these aspects come together in what we call costs. Obviously, if you're implementing GL, AP, and AR, it's going to be a little bit different in cost compared to manufacturing or distribution inside of your environment. Understanding what those requirements are critical for conveying of those costs, both internal in terms of what your resource requirements are going to be, and external in terms of what the consulting dollars are going to be for the ERP implementation. The other important aspect of this with costs that you should be looking at as well are the cloud concepts, a very disruptive technology, but very potential in terms of what it can actually provide for external customers, for data availability, and for backups that you can actually have inside of your organization. Step 2 is focused on dispelling the unknown. What we're trying to do here is give you enough information to make factual changes within your organization to actually back this ERP implementation. It's basically there to dispel a lot of the anxiety that you may have as going through this process and overall provide a better experience for your ERP evaluation and ultimately implementation.